Hello and welcome to our DIY tutorial channel. In just 4 steps, we can teach you how to make simple and beautiful crafts with our Apparel fabric. Before we get started, let's prepare the materials you'll need for the day. You'll need a piece of our premium Apparel fabric, scissors, needle and thread, and some basic tools like a ruler and pins. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first step is to cut the Apparel fabric. Cut 2 pieces of Apparel fabric of the same size and shape according to the size of the tote bag you want. It is recommended that you use a ruler and cutting scissors to ensure that the edges are neat. The second step sews the edges of the 2 pieces of Apparel fabric together, with the 2 pieces of fabric facing each other. Sew the edges together using a sewing machine or hand stitching, leaving the top opening open. Make sure the seam allowance is even to enhance the durability of the bag. The third step is to create the handles. You can use leftover Apparel fabric to cut 2 long strips of fabric. Sew them together and attach them to the top of the tote. The length of the handles can be adjusted to your personal preference. The fourth step is to decorate our tote bags. To make your tote bag more unique, you can add some decorative elements such as embroidery, patches, or buttons. These small details will make your work more personalized. Finally, flip the tote bag over and you will see a finished product that is both functional and beautiful. Whether you're shopping, going to work, or just using it for everyday use, this tote bag will be a great addition to your collection. You can also make other simple crafts using this method. That's it for today's DIY tutorials. We hope you enjoyed these easy-to-make crafts. With our fabrics, you can easily create clothing, accessories, and home decor that is both functional and beautiful. Please share your creations in the comments section or tell us what else you'd like to learn.